This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Lasky. Spacious 2-bedroom 2-bath 3rd floor condo that offers a lot of natural light. Entry foyer leads into a large living/dining room with vaulted ceiling all overlooking a wall of sliding doors. Fully equipped kitchen with lots of cabinets and a great breakfast area. Private split bedrooms. Master bedroom has a large walk-in closet, private open balcony, off living room, your own walk-in laundry room, all neutral flooring. Community offers heated pool, small clubhouse, tennis court, soccer field, barbecue area, pest control, tot lot, fitness center. This is a gated community. Walk to restaurants and food shopping. Owner requires 675 credit score for each applicant. No pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Lasky at 954-752-5100.